Welcome back to another travel tip video. Today we're going to talk about what luggage you can take onto an airplane. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the carry-on bag. This is the perfect size to take on board the airplane with you. Most airlines have specific dimensions for their carry-on bags. Typically, it's around 22 by 14 by 9 inches. However, weight limits do vary, so be sure to check with your airline for those specific requirements. Remember, liquids in your carry-on must be in a 3.4-ounce container, and they must all fit into a clear quart-size bag. There is a second option for a carry-on, and that is a backpack. Now, these are larger than your typical school backpack. So this one right here is 40 liters, so it holds quite a bit more. Next up, we have our checked luggage. And this is bigger than me. I could probably fit into it. These are the larger suitcases that go into the cargo hold underneath the airplane. Checked bags can vary in weight and size restrictions. Typically, as long as it's under 62 linear inches, that is length plus width plus height, as long as it's under 62 inches, you're good. There is usually a weight limit. Typically, it's between 50 and 70 pounds. But there are some airlines, such as Frontier, who require a 40-pound weight limit. If you want to get up to that 50 pounds, you do have to pay for the extra 10 pounds. Now let's talk about personal items. Personal items are things like your backpack. This is a standard backpack that you would take to school, or purses, laptop bags, briefcases, diaper bags. That kind of thing is going to be considered a personal item. It is supposed to fit underneath the seat in front of you. There are no weight limits typically, and if they are, they generally aren't enforced. But they do have to fit underneath that seat in front of you, so you want to make sure they're not too bulky. Now, there are specialty items as well, things like strollers, car seats, musical instruments, sports equipment, that sort of thing. Each airline is going to have their own requirements again, so I always recommend checking their website to find out what those requirements are. However, things like a car seat or a stroller, you can typically check for free, which is so helpful for all those families. And that's it for luggage. Make sure you check the airline's website for their specific requirements. What I gave to you today is just a general overview of what you can typically expect. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video for more travel tips, and have a great trip.